Hello and welcome to Ferlon, the high-fiving tortoise. There he is. Let's smack him. Give him a little high-fiver right there. Hey, this is a watch me video, so all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch how this problem is solved. Then you're going to want to either put it onto the portfolio cover that you're making, or if your teacher would like, go ahead and put this into your notebook. At any rate, here we go, and this is the scenario. Ferlon may be slow, but he is the friendliest critter this side of the Mississippi River. He is constantly high-fiving all his friends as he walks through his neighborhood. Today, he walked 5/7 kilometers. Let's just go ahead and write that down. 5/7. Now, if Ferlon high-fives his friends 3/8 of the times that he is walking, let's go ahead and write 3/8 down. 3/8 of the time that he's walking, what portion of the kilometers is Ferlon, the high-fiving tortoise, exhibiting his friendly nature to all his friends? Hey, this is a multiplication problem, and we are simply multiplying 5/7 times 3/8. Let's go ahead and look how this works out. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and shrink this so I have a little bit more room. Next, I'm going to go ahead and create a fraction box, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and create a fraction box. And the first thing I want to do is build 5/7. So since there are 7 parts, that means I'm going to draw 6 lines. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 lines should give me 7 parts. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 parts. Fantastic. Now, I get 5 out of those 7, so I'm going to color in 5 out of the 7 parts. And let's just do that right now. So I'm going to go from here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. And come straight across here and center that. And that looks pretty good, my friends. Okay, so I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6, 7. Now I'm multiplying it by 3/8, right? So I got to cut it in 8 parts, which means I'm going to draw 7 lines going up and down like this, okay? So let's go ahead and make 7 lines now, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 lines. And now I'm going to get 3 out of those 8 parts. And let's just double check that there is 8 parts. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and sure enough, 8 parts going up and down, right? Now I get 3 out of those 8. So what I'm going to do now is do a different color, and I'll use this purple, right? And I'm going to go 3 of these. Let's just go ahead and do 3 of those. Now, what's cool is where they're overlapping, and that's this section right here, where they overlap, that's what you get, right? So I'm going to count these up, but in order to count them, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And let's go ahead and count them, and I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 out of the total number of boxes, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 times 7 is going to be 56. So your answer is 1556. So, however, let's go ahead and create our algorithm and make sure that our algorithm agrees with our illustration. And for the algorithm, all you're going to do is write 5/7 times 3/8. And here's what we're going to do. 5/7 times 3/8. And For multiplication, you simply multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators, right? And 5 times 3 is indeed going to give me 15. And then 7 times 8 gives me 56. And bam, as you see, 1556 agrees with 1556. And that, my friends, is fantastic. So let's just wrap this up by going back to our question here. Here is Ferlon, our high-fiving tortoise, and he's trying to walk a full kilometer, right? But he's only walked the green portion, so he's only walked this much of the kilometer, right? He's still got this much left that's in white that he hasn't walked, right? And now he's high-fiving 3/8 of the time, so this is the portion right here that we have numbered that he's actually high-fiving people and all his friends in the neighborhood. And this is the portion that he's walking where he's not high-fiving people. And that, my friends, is how you solve this answer. Solve this answer? How about solve this problem? And this is what it looks like as an illustration. This is your algorithm. And that, my friends, is all you need to know. So, until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day.